Melissa from Buckeye Girls Reason Things. Today we're going shopping at Walmart to see what Christmas decor we can find at Walmart. See what their new inexpensive ornaments and different things are, and see what themes they have this year. And then we will be coming back here and I will show you what my entryway decor will be this year, and I will be giving you a sneak peek into what my theme is for the entryway. Today is day 1 of Vlogmas. I hope you enjoy the fun. Christmas vibes right after Halloween. This is a collaboration with Pancakes and Pandemonium. Please check out her channel in my playlist. Check out the playlist also in the description box, and it'll be in the comment section, because we need all kinds of fun holiday inspiration to get us jump started on the holiday season. I hope you enjoy my video. Look what's back. I love to decorate with these, even on your dining room table as accents. These are fun on your tree, also on your mantle. Look at all the fun new patterns. Ooh, I love that one. That's my whimsical. But I also love farmhouse. I love the black and white. Looky here. I even have one that's woodland animals. That's fun too. These would be fun on your tree. Great. I have this one actually, and I've even used that for Valentine's Day. And I've used that one for Valentine's Day. You can use these on your table, on your mantle, and in your tree. I've used this one here on a table. And then of course they have your buffalo plaids. They'd be fun on your fireplace, your tree, on a table, whatever. But look at this. This is fun too. Ooh, look at these. Look how fun those are. I love those. And look at these. These are all tree toppers. Look at him. I like him. I think he'd be pretty as a table centerpiece. Look at him. He's quite distinguished. He would be pretty. That would be pretty as a centerpiece too. Ooh, that's pretty. Is that a weenie doll? Nope, it's a reindeer. Ooh, looky there. Look at the gingerbread. I'm in love.
Here's a bunch if you want.
Oh, Thad forgot something. Look, I'm in love. And look at that. Look at the nutcrackers. And is that a polar bear? The swans are pretty. The cupcakes. Look at this guy. I don't know what this is. Oh! Look how fun that is. These are fun to put in wreaths and in your tree. Look at the old-fashioned Santa Clauses. I love the cardinals. Here's their fun ornaments, and these can be used any time of the year. I love if you know my love for butterflies, these can be used any time of the year, and they're only $1.87. Great tree fillers, but they can also be used in the spring, because who wouldn't be able to use like this beautiful hummingbird in your spring decor? Or they got a turquoise one. We gotta check out the turquoise. And Melissa's gonna make a mess. Looky, there's our peacock. He'll be coming home with me. I love these retro deer. I had one like this as a child, similar. But the rustic is pretty too. And who doesn't love the gingerbread this deer? Look at Santa with his coat. That'd be cute on a coffee bar. And I've made these. These are easily done DIY. I like this one. The one I had as a child was more like this. And they have the smaller ones if you have a smaller area, because I have a small house. And sometimes the big stuff just overwhelms it after a while. And who doesn't love the cardinal? That's our Ohio bird. There's our little truck and the little barn and silo. That's cute. I found the elf stepper after Christmas last year. That was a 90% off. These elves here, I found those at this was from Walmart after Christmas. This was from Big Lots after Christmas. I think the mailbox was from Michael's. We've had him forever. This is Mr. Santa Paws. He reminds me of Oscar. And our little signs, they too came from Big Lots after Christmas, 90% off. That's a wreath that I made. So that's our tree, that's our entryway table for the year.